Hey everybody, I have a 1959 Remington Quiet Riter for you today. We're going to take a look at it. I'm going to admit up front right now that I don't know everything about this typewriter, um, but I'm just going to show you how well it works. So, first of all, here's your carriage. Here are your margins. Okay, and this is your carriage release. It's on either side. Pull that in. And there is your carriage. So, and then also, this is a manual typewriter with a manual return. So you can see it advances the line there. If you want to release the roller so you can get in between the lines, there is a button right here. You just press this button. Let me move the carriage back. And that releases the roller, okay? So that's how you do that. Let's open up the top. Now the Remingtons are different in that, let me push this back so maybe you could see a little bit better. These are not removable. So this does not take a universal ribbon. You will have to hand wind the ribbon in here, and I'll have to get my husband to show you how to do that, and we'll have to do a separate video. But these do not come out, or if they do, they're a permanent fixture of this, and so you have to roll the ribbon onto this. So you'll have to get bulk ribbon somewhere or buy a spool and take the ribbon off. We have put a significant amount of ribbon on here, so this is going to last you quite a while. Right here is your color selector. You can go between red and black through here. This is your ribbon reversal, so you can go back and forth and just use up all that ink in your ribbon. Okay, let's put this down. This is considered a miracle tab. I'm going to tell you right now that I wouldn't use the tab. I haven't figured out how to effectively use the miracle tab. I keep locking up the carriage. So I've got the carriage free. I wouldn't use it, but if you get it, and you want to mess around with it and see if you can figure out how you can get the miracle tab to work, you just go for it, okay? All right, let's go ahead and do our typing demo. So your paper release is back here, right here. And I'm going to straighten that out. And let's go ahead and do our typing. So this is a 1959. And this has a number 1. Yay! Because a lot of them don't. Remington Quiet Riter. And this types really well. There's no hesitation. There's no stiffness in it. Nothing like that. Oops, I'm going to shift. Here we go. Your margin release is going to be right here, and this is your backspace. This is a smaller font, so this would be good for those of you with longer writing projects. I will say this types extremely well. So even though the tab can be a little frustrating and the ribbons are not standard, this is a very good typer. Excellent. This is an excellent typing machine. Great for longer writing projects. Awesome. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Visit the links in our description below if you want to see photos or more information about this quiet writer. If you've got one, I'd love to hear from you what you think about their Miracle tab and if it works on your machine or not. And have a great day. Bye.